From the heart of Las Vegas,
it's Dianaevoni
of Vegas Slot Videos,
where the fun happens!
I found a Lightning Link video I had forgot to share from my June trip with Greg, Robert, and Tara. Thanks, Lightning Link, for the last-minute bonus. Tara with me, and I have Greg with me. We're going to go swinging around, and we have Robert with us.
Don't swivel too fast, Diana.
Oh, because
Did you leave your drink in there, too?
No, I finished that.
Oh.
Are you going to spin too?
Would you like me to?
Sure.
Oh,
Holy
crap.
shit.
Did you get that first spin?
No, I didn't.
No.
Did you hear me spin?
No.
That was the last
No,
person.
someone passed
But
out.
I wasn't paying attention.
Did I hit that?
Yeah. Come on, this is Lightning Link Sahara Gold. I had some fun bonuses here earlier today. We need to repeat them because Greg hasn't played this before.
I've never played the high limit version.
We want Greg to see a bonus or a hand peg.
Yes, let's get that major.
That would be sweet. I would like that. You still have free play left? Robert, or did you have free play left or just the one you just got?
Just that's all I got.
Okay.
25.
Yes. Oh, got it.
Okay. There we go. That's better. Bonus! I haven't won anything since dinner. It's time.
Oh,
Oh,
two more.
come on!
Oh, I hate
darn it.
5.
That was so sad. Oh, now it's just being a pain.
Oh,
I had, ooh,
my God,
nice.
what is that?
Bonus side. We'll see. I had
Is it
a
gonna
bonus
go?
in quarters today. What'd you get? Woo!
$220.
Everything,
There you go. You're welcome.
everything Robert
I
has
forgot to
touched.
say everything you win does go to me.
Yeah, right. All he's been
That
doing
was-
is winning
That
today.
was the oh.
Got something.
Dun, 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 dun.
Yay, we got something too. We got something. Suck it.
What did we get?
Hey.
$50.
Hey, go ahead. It's 50 we didn't have.
Hey, exactly.
More.
Camos.
But I'm ready for the bonus, or the major to drop over. Hold and spin. Come on.
Hold and spin. Oh, you hit it too fast.
I know. I got impatient.
You got impatient.
I did. Bonus. If we scream louder, it'll get scared and bonus.
You know, if you look at the harem girls, they move when they hit on a line.
I didn't.
Never noticed that.
That's cool. It's like the little scorpions doing their little thing.
Oh, I guess that's too.
Oh,
One more.
oh, darn you! Darn you, that hurts. That physically hurts.
I really don't like when it's 5. It shouldn't happen.
I know, it's mean. It's just mean.
I like that bonus.
Come on, give us the bonus. I was doing really good on this game earlier today when he was winning on
Oh my
quick
God,
spin.
that's the 4th 5.
I know, it's mean.
Ever since I said the harem girls, they don't. Come on.
Yeah, I know, they're not gonna. Oh, shoot.
I just want to show you them moving.
They're not gonna move for me.
2 more.
Yes! Yes,
I called
yes.
it. I said it.
Yes, you did.
All right, now we want the major.
Yes.
Or the grand.
Or
Those
the
are my only
minor
options.
or anything, right? Come on, number. Okay, it's up to you, Greg. Come on, something good. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Oh, no.
Really? Please.
Oh my God. I was like, wow.
Thank you.
All right. Mini.
Yes, something really good. Oh, I saw the minor
I saw
by.
the minor
At least
too.
we got something. That's
Major.
good. Yeah, major. Major us. Say anything.
Oh my
Woo,
God.
he got the bonus.
Yes.
Thank you. And Robert got a bonus over there.
Robert's betting $10. Are you still on free play?
Yes.
Of course he is. Oh no.
Come on.
This could be bad.
Nope, it's gonna hit.
Come on! Oh, darn.
Damn.
But Robert's close.
Wow. $70.
Yeah, well, 70. We got
70
it.
to 70.
We got it bonus.
Alright, we're not.
In case people couldn't do math, 70
Right.
is 70.
70 is
What are you
70.
doing, baby? Come on, get something good.
Come on, can I get a
No,
freaking...
reach
You
right
have
there.
$170.
Get the briefcase.
I want more.
Well,
Yeah, I got 70, so, you know. The greedy person.
here we go, here we go, here we
I hate it
go.
when people say
Give us the
that.
whole bunch.
Like they want their casino to win over
That's
us.
okay.
Bonus.
Oh my god. Oh. You celebrated too early. That's why that didn't happen.
You're right.
You celebrated victory and it did not even, wasn't even there.
Celebrated victory and I got defeat.
3 more.
Bonus.
I want to show you the hair.
I know, it's funny. They usually come around constantly.
I know, that's why I was like, okay,
There you
watch.
go. Oh yeah, they do. Okay. Cute.
This is a very dirty machine.
I think I'm getting to the end of my...
Oh no.
End of the flip-flop.
He's gonna have to use his own money. Curses.
Oh my
Ow!
god.
Oh, damn. Seriously, you couldn't give me 2 more? Really? That just, I felt that one.
I've seen it like just come one.
That
on
one
its
just
own.
hurt. That hurt. Yeah, one on its own.
And
but
you're
that
like,
hurt.
that's not gonna
I
happen.
got $4.55 off my free play, which is not bad.
Not at all. You had a lucky
455
day.
total.
Yeah, that's... Because
Great.
I think I put 10 in.
So I accept Venmo.
Venmo. PayPal.
Wait more.
Oh, there's a new Seinfeld thing.
I did see that. That game seems really, really confusing.
Oh, it's fun. Dude.
Oh.
Really? Darn you. You're just making me upset now. You're physically making me upset. Come on, baby. Something. Yeah. Rub those tummies.
I had to rub the hair out.
Where are you?
Yeah, I
know?
want that bonus.
I've always wanted the hold and spin, but yeah, something. Because we could get the hold and spin in there.
Oh, come on.
I know, that
Oh,
hurts.
wow.
That hurts too.
And that.
I agree.
All of it.
All of it
All
feels
of it.
It
painful.
all hurts.
Bonus. 2
Bonus
of them.
butch.
Yes, bonus me bitch. Because you're being bitchy.
Oh,
Those don't pay anything.
I didn't know that it did the check.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you when you said the harem girl movie.
Oh, come on. I can't even get one link.
Really?
Oh.
I'm just getting upset.
No.
I feel like that comes all the time.
Well, it should be coming all the time.
That's what she said.
Yeah, right. Because you can get really crappy bonuses with it, so
I know. That's why
it
I'm
should
like,
come more frequently.
one more.
Really? I can't believe this. Darn you, Lightning Link. Greg and I needed a big win together.
Seriously. Oh, one more.
Yes! We got it!
Sorry.
Last spin for Greg.
Where the cookies?
Is that
She said she's gonna bring it.
Oh, really? Okay. Start feature.
Okay.
Go ahead and pick because it's predetermined anyway.
It's predetermined?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I wanted that one. Oh my god!
That could be really
That
good.
is the best you can get.
That could be good. But we'll see. Full screen of the
Don't
camels.
jinx it.
Full screen of the
We
camels.
won't touch it for the whole bonus. We're gonna Rex this.
Oh, okay. We're gonna be like
Piss off
Rex.
the viewers.
Oh, I was hoping for the third
We
row.
celebrated before it was there, Robert.
Yes.
Sorry.
Did not learn from
I know I didn't learn.
We did not learn from you. We're trying.
Alright, I need to sit.
You gonna dance?
No, because I need to sit.
Okay.
I hope I don't take a chair from someone that wanted this.
Well, I'm sure they'll kick you out if they do.
Okay, now it's done. So now we can get it.
Go ahead.
I slipped it. Well, okay, we went from Rex to like fast play.
Yes, that was on you.
Not good, not good.
That was on you.
It won't do the touch screen.
There we go.
Okay, for 200 added,
Put it, yes.
we need, okay, that's good.
I wonder if we can get, if it re-triggers, will it give us 15 more?
It will give 15 more.
Oh, I'd love to see a re-trigger then.
Did I hit it?
If you want.
Alright, we're almost at 100. Oh, we got the 10.
Got 10s at least, thank goodness. I was getting worried we didn't have one there. No more of those. No more of those.
Yes, more.
Woo! Got a little something. Got some palm trees.
We just need all of them. Come on. All the camels.
Come on, you owe me a big win bonus.
Yes, seriously. We got the best you can get.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, hey,
that
that's
worked
fine.
out.
That worked
That
out.
actually worked out. Okay, thank you.
What does it get?
I want a full, go ahead. I want a full screen.
All right, you got your money back. But we want more.
You do?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. And we're down to only 4 games unless it re-triggers.
We got kings and hers. What are we at? 300.
Yes, more.
Oh my god, re-trigger.
Oh, we don't have anything there with all those.
I know we got too many.
Got the
All right, we got her
girls.
again.
Well, we're down to only having 2 spins. Come on.
Alright, we got scorpions and queens.
And it's the last spin coming up. Sure.
You're welcome.
Are you ready? Oh, it went.
Oh my god.
Oh, darn it. I thought we were going to get 4,
Hey,
you know, 4
it's gonna
rows.
be almost $500.
That's good.
Hit it.
Okay.
466.
We put 200 in, so that's good.
So you got the money back that you.
Let's play it a little more.
Yeah.
Just a few more spins. Just in case.
We need one more golden spin.
That would be lovely. With the major
With
in
the
it.
major in it.
That really killed me when the major
Oh my god, I know
teased
that
us.
was not right.
We'll play it to 400 and stop, and we doubled our money.
There you go.
That seems right. Another bonus. Come on.
Now we'll take hits.
Nothing. I know.
Oh, that
But that bonus could have been fantastic if we had.
I mean, it could have been.
Yeah, it could have been
like,
really great.
That would have been handy.
Yeah, I've seen people get hand pay when they get that. Show me. Yeah, where's that home stuff?
Hold and spin. All right, last spin maybe. Hopefully not. Okay, we're alive.
Good. It's all in the spin for us, Greg.
Oh, we've got a few more.
Oh, good. Bonus.
Hold and spin and hold and
Do
spin.
something.
Hold and spin. Uh-oh.
I'll take one more. There we
Okay.
go. No, I don't think
All right,
we...
we're back at 400. We doubled.
Okay, we're done. We're done.
That's a good video.